The capturing elements is the process of uniquely identifying elements in an application under test or an AUT. These elements, once captured, are then stored in the element repository of Avo Assure for further use and reuse. Avo Assure provides its users the option to capture elements on various application types: web, desktop, SAB, OEBS, mainframe, and others. Let us view a demonstration of capturing elements in Avo Assure. After landing to the Avo Assure home screen, once you have selected a project, click the Design Studio button and you will navigate to the Element Repository screen. Click the plus icon on the left pane to create a folder. Alternatively, you can also click the Create Folder button to do so, or hit the Shift+F on your keyboard. Name the folder, and as a best practice, ensure it reflects the name of the application whose elements are to be captured. Click the three dots or ellipsis across the folder name, select Create Repository from the context menu, and then the application type. For this demo, let's select Web. Please note, you can also create the repository by clicking the relevant button on the screen and use keyboard shortcuts to choose your application type. Once done selecting the application type, name it to reflect the process to be captured, so it can easily be identified for future reference. Next, you are ready to capture elements. Select the browser type for your web application to launch and click the Capture button on the pop-up. The Avo Assure client Capture pop-up appears, where the first step is to enter the application URL and click Navigate. The application launches. The second step is to capture the elements. As you can see, there are three ways that Avo Assure offers for the element identification: visible, all, and manual. Let's proceed to learn more about each of the methods. Visible helps capture only the visible elements on an application based on the chosen capture types from the drop-down. The option All enables capturing of all the elements in an application, including hidden ones regardless of its capture type. Manual, as the name suggests, allows users to capture elements manually by navigating through the application. Please note the delay drop-down is used for elements with longer loading time in an AUT, such as alert pop-ups. Users can choose to set a duration for these elements to load before capturing them. Let's choose the manual option first and click Capture. You will notice a yellow highlight appear around the elements as you navigate through the application. Click the elements to be captured, and once done, click Stop. Now pops up Step 3 that allows you to verify the captured elements before adding them to the repository. Additionally, you can review the captured elements' properties and value. Select the captured elements and click Add. Similarly, you can delete the captured elements that are not needed. You will see the added elements in the Elements List section inside the element repository. For now, let's save the ones added to the list. Follow the same steps to create another repository for a different process in the application, but using a different capturing method. For the homepage elements, let's choose All as the capturing method. Using this method automatically captures all the elements on the screen, visible and hidden. Once done, select the verified elements to be added from the captured list. They will be visible on the homepage repository. Save them. Similarly, let's create another element repository for a different process on the application using the visible capturing method. Please note that for this method, you need to select a capture type from the drop-down menu before beginning the capture. Let's select Link. Based on the capture type selected, the visible method automatically captures all observable elements on the screen of the chosen element type. Verify and select the necessary elements and add them. You will see that the chosen elements appear in the elements list. Save it for further use. The Add Elements button allows you to go back to the application and capture more elements from the same process. Let's try it. For ease of use, let's select Capture Elements. Select the browser and proceed. Once you navigate to the necessary page of the application, select the element capture method and repeat the same steps learned. As you can see, the visible method with actionable capture type is selected for this demo. Once the verified elements are added, they appear in the same page's element list. Make sure to save them. Excellent! You now know how to capture elements for different processes of an application distinctly, using all three elements identification methods in Avo Assure. Keep in mind that each small step you take moves you nearer to achieving your testing goals. Reach out to Avo Academy at avoautomation.com for more learning information on Avo. Happy learning!